Hi everybody, I'm Bonnie for Bonstar Fitness and I am accepting the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I was nominated from my friend Brad Crosby out in California and my very good girlfriend Madison from SiriusXM. Not only am I dumping 2 buckets of ice water on my head, one for each time I was nominated, but I'm also going to donate. And if you want to donate, you can go to alsa.org/donate and do your part. Okay, here we go. Oh, and I want to nominate Cheryl Gerber, get it done, girl, and Colleen Carpenter, bringing it home to Chatham. So, here we go. 2 buckets. And I did buy 2 bags of ice for this. Okay. Okay, Brad, that was yours. Madison, this is for you. My head is frozen right now.